How to uninstall the X app on iPhone. The X app, also formerly known as Twitter app, is a popular application that might have come pre-installed on your iPhone for some reason, or it's just there and you want to remove it. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Uninstalling the X app or the former Twitter application on your iPhone is very simple to do. First of all, just locate the app on your home screen. If you've hidden it, go to the app library and go to the hidden section and unhide it. Now what you want to do is once you locate the X application, long press on it, then you'll find the remove app button. Tap on remove app. You don't want to select only remove from home screen because that is just removing from home screen, but the app will still exist on your storage. Instead, what you want to do is tap this red text that says delete app. So when you tap on delete app button and then you tap the delete button, the application will get completely deleted. This way you'll be able to uninstall X app on iPhone. Hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.